Okay, so this Sea-Doo is Sparky, and everybody says when get the problem usually to be this relay, but on this case was not the relay itself, but on the back you're gonna find this purple and black wire. When you put the key on them, they should be negative, and was coming positive all the time because was not coming power from the ECU. So we found out was a broken wire coming from the ECU to the relay. So we opened it up and the wire was broke. So now it's all set.